What's up everybody, welcome back to the channel. In this video, I'm gonna be building the War Machine Mark I Armor's minigun. The minigun is probably the most recognizable thing that War Machine has, so I really wanted to build that and I wanted to do it right. So I got a few things going on with this build. First off, I got the barrels made by PCB Way. Second, I printed the main body of the minigun with FDM or filament on my Elegoo Neptune 3 Plus. Well, first thing that happened with that was we got a failure. The build plate basically slid off from underneath it, causing it to layer shift, and then it just didn't print from the top. This is what I got. So what I ended up doing to fix that is added a little bit of glue stick to the build plate, and it was able to print just fine. So my barrels from the minigun just came in from PCB Way. While I unbox this, I'm gonna talk to you a little bit about PCB Way. They're also the sponsor of this video. PCB Way offers a whole slew of options when it comes to 3D printing and CNC building, as well as, you can tell by their name, PCB Way also manufactures PCBs. So for my War Machine helmet, I use the PCB Way to not only manufacture the 3D print of my War Machine helmet, but they also made the PCB I use to build the internals inside the helmet. So the first thing I got so far is the barrel to the minigun. This is gonna look awesome. PCB Way's 3D printing is amazing, and you can get it resin and FDM printed. I like to choose the resin printing because they come out so good. I mean, look at this thing. This is the barrel to my minigun. I can't believe how good this came out. Wow. PCB Way has been my longest standing partnership, and they do amazing, amazing work. If you guys are interested, I'll leave my link down in the description, and you can save off the first order. Okay, so here are my barrels. I'm super excited about these. I had to order 6 barrels to go with these. They printed them solid, which makes it a little bit heavy, so I don't know how well they're gonna come out, but they look amazing. Actually, no, I take that back. They are hollow. They are solid on one side and hollow on the other. Okay, so I got all my pieces to my minigun set up. I have my barrels, and I also have my barrel holders right here. I resin printed these on my printer, and it didn't take that long. I actually tried to FDM print one of these holders too, these barrel holders, and it came out like poop. Maybe it was just the files, or maybe I had to do my settings or something like that, but while I have a resin printer, I'm gonna use that because it works so much better. First things first, I gotta glue on the top of my barrel and fasten it. I'm probably gonna use resin, a little UV light. Resin to resin works pretty good. If I also wanted to find another way, 2-part epoxy also works really well for gluing parts together that normally don't glue. Super glue would work, but I don't trust the strength of super glue, especially when you have moving parts. So I got this full face respirator. This thing is maze balls, man. This respirator is so good because not only does it cover your face, but it covers your whole, all of this is protected. This must buy. This thing cost me 60 bucks. I got it on sale. The big piece is in the middle, and these two are on the end, kind of like how it already is, but I got them on the wrong end. I need these little pieces over here, and this piece needs to go in the middle, which sucks because I gotta sand these down. So I will be wearing my respirator. Can you hear me in this thing? Hello? So what I'm starting to find out is this side is smaller than this side. I think it tapers because these are super easy to go in this way, and then they get harder. Oh, we got them all in there, folks. All right, so now I need to put these. I did it on the wrong side. It don't matter. I'm already over it. So there's a solid side and then there's a open side. The solid side is easier to put these on. and then I slide them all the way down to this part. The good side right here has to have the barrel showing. So I have to slide all these all the way down. Like such. I don't want to glob it on there though, right? So I'm going to put this on. Line up all the holes. They all look lined up. Okay, now I'm just going to hit it with some light. All right, I'm just going to reinforce it. I think it's on there though. How's that look? Pretty dope, huh? This is heavy. I don't think I'm gonna be able to carry this on my shoulder. So now what I wanna do is kind of clean off some of this resin. All I have right here is a little bit of alcohol, like neighborhood, like local alcohol, and then the barrel is now complete. What I did was use a little bit of resin to secure the top of the barrel to the tip of the barrel to the actual barrel pieces. And then I added the supports along the sides of them. I think this one has to come down probably a little bit more this way. But I want to put this on here. Oh, that looks gorgeous. It's gonna sit on my, this thing is bigger than I thought it was gonna be. This has to sit on my arm. To my War Machine suit. This thing is gonna be massive. All right, well, anyways, this is the main build plate body. It came out really good. The supports broke right off. I used tree supports and that actually came out really well. Here is the best piece right here. This is the barrel assembly, I guess we can say. It comes with 6 barrels and some barrel supports that I actually resin printed using my resin printer. We have our tip of our minigun and the actual long barrel pieces that was resin printed separately. And then I used more resin to glue them together. This is actually really heavy, and this is gonna come into play later. Using the slots guided right here in the front, I was able to just slide them in. Everything was printed at 100% scale, so it fits really good. This is the minigun. Brrr, brrr. My next plan for this minigun is actually to get it to rotate, maybe on one axis, 2 later down the road, but I don't know yet. Next thing I'm gonna do is actually get the barrel to spin. So stay tuned for that because that's gonna be coming in a future video. If you like this video, go ahead and hit that thumbs up button. That way the algorithm can do its thing. Subscribe to this channel and turn on that bell notification. That way you know exactly when I get my next upload. This War Machine suit is slowly coming along, slowly but surely, but it is gonna get complete. I wanna get this thing done before Dragon Con in Atlanta, and that's in September. So I got a little bit of work to do, but I think I can do it. What do you guys wanna see me build next? Leave it down in the comments. If you guys wanna see how I built the front or the back plate of my War Machine armor, click on this video right here. Everybody have a great rest of your day. God bless y'all. Peace out.